Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the UPSAC's online sport program. Here I am Kasum Akhtar from the Army Public School, Rahim Jharkhand Kent. Subject is English language. Let's start our lesson. Learners Book 3, textbook page number 90 to 93, unit puzzles and codes, lesson secret messages, resources required for this topic, textbook, breakup and internet. The summary of this lesson is puzzles are a great way to build confidence and strengthen resistance, open-mindedness and flexibility. The objectives of this lesson are students will be able to talk about differences between puzzles, and they will be able to describe and compare objects. They will understand how codes work in puzzles. Dear student, this is a picture of a puzzles. You will join these puzzles according to the shapes, colors. This is a second picture. Which scooter would reach first? Here you will check the ways and you will identify that which scooter would reach first. Mean the A scooter, scooter B, scooter C and the scooter D. According to the given ways you will check this. After that you can also use the lead pencil or this, then you can identify about this. These are the letters, and in the puzzle form these are the letters, and you will find out the words from these letters. You will check, look at the first line. In the first line you have the fish, crocodile, second line, and the third line you have the ostrich word and the cheetah, and you also can use the colored pencil to identify these kind of the words. Here are the different types of puzzles. Dear students, you will also learn the different types of the puzzles. Crossword puzzles, mechanical puzzles, logic puzzles, math puzzles, word search puzzles, Sudoku puzzles, trivia puzzles. Some are also included in the games also. Look at this picture. This is also a kids game, but it's a type of a puzzle. In this you will identify the colors and the shapes. According to this you will set to this puzzle game. Here I have shared you the three pictures. First you will set this picture according to the numbers. In the second you will set the pictures. In this you will set the pictures according to the scenery, and in third you will set this picture according to the color. Let's start the topic, puzzles and codes. You will describe and compare objects, read and write secret code messages, use clues to solve problems. How are these flowers different from each other? You will look at these flowers. Attentively you will look at these flowers and you will find out how these are different from each other. How are these bugs different from each other? You will also check the body of the bugs and the colors of these bugs, and you will identify how these bugs are different from each other. On the next page, you will do the activity number 4. Find two flowers that are exactly the same. Describe them. On the page number 90, you will find out the two flowers that are exactly the same, and you will write here on the page number 91. Find two bugs that are exactly the same. Describe them. You will check the page number 90. Here you will find out the bugs that are exactly the same, and you will write about these bugs on the page number 91. And come on the page come on the activity 5. How many bugs without spots are there? You will check the bugs on the page number 90. How many bugs without spots are there? You will count these bugs. After that you will write this on the page number 91 here activity in front of this question. And second question is, are there more big flowers or little flowers? You will identify or you will find out that how more big flowers or little flowers. You will compare to these flowers, you will count. After that you will write here, are there more blue bugs or red bugs? Here you will tell that which are the more bugs. Blue bugs are more or red bugs? This is the activity, dear students. You will write the answers of these questions on this textbook. Okay, come on the lesson 2, secret messages. Why might you want to send a secret message? How would you do it? For thousands of years, people have used codes to send secret messages. Only a person who knows the code can understand the message. Read about 3 different codes. A message from Caesar. Caesar's code. In ancient times, there were no phones or computers. People used to write messages and give them to a messenger. Messenger is that person who take that letter or a message and give to another person. The messenger delivered the messages. Julius Caesar, the emperor of ancient Rome, wrote messages to his army in secret code. Sometimes the enemy caught the messenger, but they couldn't read the message because they couldn't understand the secret code. You can write a message using the same code Caesar used. Here is the secret code: ANBOCPDQERFSGTHUIVJWKXLYMZ. Here are the A to Z letters: ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. To write a letter in code, use the letter above or below. Mean the above letter you will use or the below letter you will use. For the letter A, write N. Mean for the letter A, you will write the N letter. For the letter T, write G. The word cat is written PNG. In Caesar's code, decode this secret instruction. You will decode this secret instruction FGNAQ. After that BA, after that LBHE, after that YRSG, after that YRT. You will decode this secret instruction, okay? Number code. In this code, you replace each letter with a number. Find the letter H on the grid with your finger. Go down to the red number at the bottom 3. Now go to the blue number on the left 2. So the secret code number for H is 32. To make it trickier, write both letters in black. 32. Remember, always write the red number first, then the blue number. Try writing your name in number code. Okay, you will do the practice of your name also. Success criteria, remember to. Dear students, you will learn the types of puzzles and write in your notebook. And you will do the work of the textbook, page number 91. You will solve the exercise 4 and 5. Attempt on your notebook you will do. Activity book. You will solve the exercise 1, page 72. After that, exercises 1, 2 and 3 on activity book, pages 76 and 77. Here you will have the notebook work, textbook work and the activity book work. Homework guidelines. Students will do homework in their notebooks and activity books. In textbook also. Write down the date and day clearly. Dear student, you will capture the picture of your homework and send it to me. Thanks for cooperation.